Where is the most driver-friendly city in the UK? Turns out it's in Scotland. But we're also home to one of the cities that's hardest to navigate. A new study analysed factors like collision numbers, annual traffic levels, and internet connectivity to determine the nation's most and least stressful cities for motorists. Dundee has emerged as the easiest city in the UK to drive around. Home to just over 150,000 people, the city of jute, jam and journalism recorded the lowest number of vehicle miles travelled, and just 232 roundabouts, less than a quarter of those found in Coventry, which has 933. Dunfermline also scored highly, placing second both in Scotland and across the UK. But Glasgow landed on the opposite end of the scale. The study ranked Scotland's largest city as the 11th hardest place to drive in the UK. Its complex network of roundabouts and heavy traffic volume make it one of the most demanding urban environments for motorists. The city records an estimated 2.26 billion vehicle miles travelled annually, more than 300 collisions, and nearly 900 roundabouts concentrated within the city centre alone.